Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the quick fixes if your Discord is not opening or not working. So the first step is that you will close all the Discord processes. For that you will first open the task manager. So press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the task manager, and then you will look for a process called Discord. Just right click and end task. So it will close all the Discord processes. We are done with the first step. Now is the time to remove the Discord cache. For that, you will go to this path. Just copy this path, copy and go to my, I will go to my C drive first, and I will place this path over here, percent app data percent, and this is the path. Now after this I will go to my Discord folder. Just go to my Discord folder and I will look for a folder called cache. I will just delete this folder. Yes, delete this folder, and then I will look for a folder called GPU cache. Delete this folder, enter. We are done with this step as well. Now is the time to open the Discord app. So I will go in the search and I will type Discord, and I will run as administrator. Click run as administrator, click yes. After that, just wait for the app to open. It is starting. So I hope after performing all these steps your issue will be fixed. At the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.